Alrighty guys, thank you so much for joining the channel and clicking on this video. So this is how I have been gaining more experience, more techniques and a quicker and efficient way of sketching and getting the right proportions for drawing, specifically at the moment faces and bodies. For those who haven't been here before, I use what's called a good speed technique for learning, and if you want to know more, please drop me a comment and I shall either create a video if enough people comment, or just quickly reply in the comment section. So I'll get on with it. So 1, 2, 3 drawings, taking 4 minutes each, and then a 1 minute analysis for each of them, so 5 minutes in total for each drawing, and that way it creates a really good and very quick feedback loop. So for mine, I had what's called good speed. If you want to know more, let me know. Good speed, good structure and proportions. I utilised the observational and geometric methods, and I'm really happy with the results. This is a statue of one of the Grecian goddesses. I am loving doing Grecian goddess or gods at the moment, I should say, and yeah, I'm just really enjoying it. I just find it very really just enjoyable and fascinating, to be honest. So I'll get on with it. Number 2, good speed again. I couldn't finish it this time and I couldn't get the hair done, so that's why half of it's missing. And I created a smaller face compared to number 1, purely because I wanted to see if the proportions and the overall look would fit the actual result. So, you know, like a kind of Greek look, or Greek statue, or traditional statue, I should say. Good structure, proportions and layout, and again same methods, observational and geometric, and again happy with the results. Number 3 and the final one for this one. Yeah, I found the chin was just a little bit too short, or this line here was just a little bit short, so it just kind of made it look a little bit kind of, I don't know what the word is, but quite harsh looking compared to these two. These two look slightly softer in the jaw area, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But anyway, good speed. I was actually quicker drawing this one. I don't know if it's because I was well practiced with these two. I knew what I was more or less doing, and it was just a case of getting it down with this third one. Maybe that's where I went wrong. I was far too quick and I didn't concentrate on the jaw. I don't know. So that's also part of these sketches, where you basically learn as you're drawing, and also a good way of improving your skills and improving the way that you draw, become an even more efficient and effective artist. So yeah, happy with the results, and I'm seeing the benefits of this very rapid drawing exercises that I do, and I hope you can see them as well. If you haven't already, check out the rest of the channel, check out the rest of the videos, see what you think, and compared to the drawings that I was doing even like 6 months ago, what do you think? Let me know, and I shall see you next time. Bye!